mga ka-members, kumusta naman tayo, no? Kumusta naman kayo diyan? Maya-maya konti mag-ano tayo, live tayo. Pero sa ngayon, kailangan kong mag-upload, no, ng ating video content, no, on how to register online kasi nga maraming nagtatanong sa atin, no? Paano ba mag-apply diyan? Paano ba magpa-register sa NCSC, no? Yan ang ating tatalakayin sa videong ito, okay? And then after that, we will start with our live para sa ating questions and answer portion. Okay, great. Now, let's go and share my screen. But before that, ito muna yung sasagutin natin, no? Okay, so how to register sa NCSC online, no? Registration for senior citizens. Now, if pwede ka sa internet, no, older, sabi ng older individuals with internet access can fill out online applications and register for free, no? Yan ang ating step-by-step guide ngayon, no, kung paano mag-fill out sa NCSC website, no? And then ano yan, free yan registration for free at the official NCSC website. No, ncsc.gov.ph. Others may choose to register manually through the Office of Senior Citizens Affairs, no, sa OSCA. Kadalasan, lagi nating sinasabi niyan, nasa ating no, LGU, nasa City Hall, kadalasan yan, no, in the respective or in your respective local government unit. Okay, so how to register for senior citizens pagka meron silang online, no? If they wanted online registration, no? Okay. All right. So, ang tanong, where can I download senior citizens data form or SCDF? You can download the PDF copy of the SCDF or senior citizens form from ncsc.gov.ph. So where you can open the form directly in your browser, fill out the form completely, sign, affix your photo and the signature, and submit to us a soft copy of your SCDF. Okay? All right. So, ito na nga sabi ng ni Chairman Franklin Quijano na bakit kailangan nating mag-register, no? NCSC Chairman Attorney Franklin Quijano earlier said that the enhanced NCSC Senior Citizens Data Form, no, can be accessed and download via the official National Commission of Senior Citizens website. So tingnan natin yan later, no? Under this process, the internet-savvy users can fill up the forms and sign up for free without hassle. Okay, so let me share my screen, okay, para ma-check natin, na. All right, so where is it? Dito tayo sa, yan, dito na muna. Okay. NCSC website. So ito yung NCSC website. No, you have to go to ncsc.gov.ph and then makita mo to, no? And then scroll down. Okay, so tingnan mo dito yung register now and then verify. Kapag ka na-register ka na, so hindi mo na kailangan mag-register, no? I-check mo na lang yung sarili mo nandiyan na sa system. So anong gagawin? Verify here na. So, click mo na yung verify here. Tapos, sa verification kung na kay RRN, yan ang nag-serve, no, as your receipt of registration nung nagpa-register ka. No? So, meron ka na. there is no need to verify every time for your safety. So we do not permanently retain your record online. After a time, your record will be downloaded to our main facility for safekeeping. So hindi nila pala nilalagay online yan for your privacy, no? Safety, no? So ida-download pala nila yan and then ilagay nila sa kanilang main facility for safekeeping. Now, the PKN is the personal passkey number as registrant nominates during registration. Okay. So, it should be kept and secured. So, pagka nag-register na kayo, no, please do not share your PKN with anybody not known to you. So, wag mong i-ano ha. Wag mong i-share yan sa mga strangers. Okay. Now, for those who have submitted a manually accomplished senior citizens data form or SCDF will be considered registered with NCSC. So no RRN will be provided since the RRN can only be generated for an online registration. Okay, so select mo yung options dito on how you'd want to verify your record. So kung RRN ba, so click mo lang nito. Bibigyan ka ng ano dito, enter your name, enter your tawag dito RRN, if RRN, then click submit. Now if using your balik tayo. So if you are using your kasi nawala yung ano mo, no, RRN. So verify using exact name and birthday. Okay, so pag-click mo yan ganyan, bibigyan ka, no, verification by name and birthday. So fill upan mo lang to, then click submit, no? Okay, so hindi ako mag-fill up diyan dahil hindi naman ako registered. Okay. All right, so sa registration, kapag nag-register ka, click mo lang yung register after ka napunta dito sa NCSC, no? .gov.ph, click mo lang yung register. Ayan. Tapos, i-click mo lang yung I agree dyan sa baba, no? Online registration. And then, proceed. Okay. So, pag click mo ng proceed, makikita mo na yung online senior citizens data form, no? Application. So, fill up mo lang yan. Lahat ng dapat i-fill up dyan, fill upan mo. No, marami yan. I-fill up mo, pero madali lang naman yan. Kung hindi ka savvy, no, user, magpatulong ka lang, no? Alright, yan, ang dami-dami yan, fill upan mo dyan, no? Pag hindi mo alam, magtanong. Okay? And then, mag-attach ng image dito. Okay, so alam na ng kung hindi mo alam, ask ka rin. Alright, so upload your photo. Okay? Kung gumagamit ka ng ang tawag dito yung gumagamit ka ng computer, so click mo lang to siya and then pupunta siya sa computer mo doon sa pictures mo, click mo lang doon, lalabas na dito. No? Sa yung ID mo, no? Okay. So yung actual photo mo, meron ka ring dapat picture sa computer mo, i-attach mo lang din dito. Then, take photo. Pwede namang take photo no? May camera yung mo. Click mo lang tong take photo. Okay? Alright. So, ganyan. Ito yung passkey number. Now, please create your own PKN for your registration below. You will need this to access and verify your record later. So the maximum of combination for the nominated PKN is 4 digits only. So, lagay mo lang dito, gumawa ka ng sarili mong passkey number or PKN. No? Any number pwede naman. No? 4 digits lang. Ilagay mo din and then re-enter mo. Okay? And after that, check mo lang lahat yan, no? Yung mga boxes dito. If you want, you can also read what are those na click mo. Alright? And then, assisted by, i-type yung pangalan kung sino nag-assist dito, relation yung nag-assist sa'yo. Okay? Alright, and then proceed to submit. Okay, so ganun ang proseso no sa register online. Okay. And then once na ano na, don't forget your PKN, no? Kasi 'yun ang pagka nag-verify ka, 'yun ang ilalagay mo dito, no, sa ano natin. Pag nag-verify ka kung totoo, halimbawa matagal ka nang nag-register online, gusto mo lang malaman, so i-click mo lang dito verify. So verify mo na siya. So ganun lang ka dali no mag-register online. All right? And then dami-dami pa ditong pwede mong makita, no? Dito halimbawa itong NCSC, NCDA, all right? Joint statement, the provision of discounts to senior citizens and persons with disability, no? You can check it here. All right. Ang dami-dami mong pwedeng malaman, pwedeng tawag dito. Ayan. PDF kasi ito eh. Yung kiniklik natin, yung mga kasunduan yan. Okay? All right. Para sa provisions of a discount. Okay? Public information, PhilHealth, Consulta, no? Nagha-hire din sila. So if you want, pwede din to, no? I-click mo lang yan. And then, protect yourself from online scams and fake. So, press mo lang to, i-check mo lahat yan. And then, may mga tawag dito. Pwede mo rin i-check din dito yung mga PDF, Manual Senior Citizens Data Form, itong mga form to. Office of the President directing all government agencies, no? Dami-dami dito, online registration guide. Pagka hindi mo alam, may guide din dito, pwede mo download, okay? Or i-check lang. I-click mo lang yan, makikita mo na yun ng step-by-step guide yan. Okay? So, kapag may problema ka pa, no? Kapag meron ka pang katanungan, di maintindihan, no? Comment lang yan sa ating comment section. Or you can also, of course, I'm sorry, comment that or ask that in our live chat. Okay? And then dito pa rin sa pahabol natin sa ncsc.gov.ph na website, pag scroll down mo yan sa pinakadulo, andito yung kanilang mga information. Address nila, email address nila, phone number nila, no? And then andito din yung frequently asked questions. Kapag may questions ka, no, dito din. Alright, so ang address nasa Malacanang, isa nasa Quezon City. Alright, so kompleto yan. Okay, now thank you so much for watching, and then if you have any problem, just comment that in our live session in a few minutes now. Okay? All right, have a wonderful day and stay safe, everyone.
Di kay may iniinda kang sakit na gusto mo ng agarang lunas. Tigil na po muna sa kakainom ng mga tableta at baka time mo ay masira. Blower na panlunas nasa Pilipinas na.
Kung iyong mamasdan, mistulang blower lamang ng buhok pero lingid sa kaalaman ng marami, mayroon itong terahertz frequency, quantum technology at optical quartz light technology na kayang pumuksa ng anumang uri ng sakit sa iyong katawan. Ang radiant energy na ibinubuga ng iTeracare therapy device ay kayang tumagos sa iyong balat, internal organs maging sa iyong mga buto. Nasa may lalim ito na 20 hanggang 30 sentimetro upang ayusin ang mga baradong ugat at mapaganda ang daloy ng dugo sa katawan.
I tried the product last quarter of last year, and it has worked so many wonders for me and for my family.
The first time I tried it, I spent 30 minutes blowing my body. The next day, I did not feel any pain whatsoever. And for the next 3 weeks while in Baguio, even if I was walking the whole time, when I go home, no pain whatsoever. I'm able to sleep very well. So when I came back to Manila, I secured my own iTera.
Hindi lamang sakit ang kayang alisin ng blower, tinatanggal din ito maging ang mga sobrang taba mo sa katawan na hindi naaalis ng ehersisyo.
In fact, just yesterday, I saw somebody who I did not recognize her at all because I saw her at an event. And the first time, she had to introduce herself to me because she had lost so much weight. And I asked her, what happened? And she said because of this particular product. She used it specifically to lose weight.
So I tried the product. So dito lumit yung mukha ko. If you check yung first episode ko sa Pinoy Legal Minds, palaki yung mukha ko, but ni-spray ko dito, blow ko dito, lumit yung mukha ko. Di ba?
Bukod sa kilala ito sa higit 50 bansa, certified approved din sa mga kinauukulang ahensya.
The insurance company insured us $1 million and we give 1 year warranty, and we have all the document, all the proven document to prove that this product is safe by the very famous authority. We can show you all the soft copy. This is very important. And the important thing, 1.5 years, everybody use the product. They are very astonished. They are very excited about the effective. The product speak by itself.